Welcome into the shop, everybody. It's great to have you all here. Now, in this video, I'm going to be building an urn. I've built several of these over my career. They're never easy to do, although I'm always honored to be asked to use my skill and my craftsmanship to make them. And in this case, I'm building one for a local family whose son passed away, and his brother actually lives in Ireland and watches the channel. So I think that's how the connection was made. So I wanted to film the build because I think it'd be a great memory for the family, a great honor to them. And also this is a really cool little box. So I think there's a lot we can learn woodworking wise from it. This is a basic mock-up of it. So you'd be looking at the corner of it here. This would be the lid. It's got a very interesting profile. Now this is, they found the design and brought it to me and wanted me to make it happen. So that's where we're at. Basically what I've done on the mock-up is use several different router bits on the router table to rough out these profiles, and then I've blended them in with hand tools. It's a bit of a process, but it's for a one-time box, it makes more sense than having a custom cutter ground to cut these profiles on a shaper or a molder. So let's just jump in. Let's head over to the router table, start cutting out these profiles, and then we'll bring it back to the workbench and hand shape them in. Ah, freaking burn. Okay, so while we're carving out the lid on this box, let me tell you about today's sponsor, NordVPN. Now, I am a furniture maker, woodworker. Anything technology-wise, I struggle to grasp. It's just all kind of going over my head. But I had a recent event happen to me that made me realize that I need to use a VPN. So this is a letter from the Texas Workforce Commission addressed to my LLC, informing me that my employee has requested unemployment. Now, I only have one employee, and that's myself, and I am still employed, and I did not request for unemployment, which only means one thing. Somewhere someone got my information and used it to file for unemployment. And this is the big reason why I have started using NordVPN, because they have military-grade encryption on the data that I send across the World Wide Web. So it blocks anyone from being able to get my information. It also blocks my internet traffic so people can't profile me and start figuring out, collecting data about me and all this stuff that just freaks me out when I start talking about. Now, NordVPN also allows you to mask your location on your computer, on your mobile devices, on your tablet. All you do is go into their app, select what location you want the server to think you're at. You can do Paris, you can do Australia, you can do anywhere in the world, and ultimately it masks your location and provides an extra layer of security. With NordVPN, you also get 6 simultaneous connections, 24/7 customer support, They have lightning speed. It has not slowed down my internet at all. You also get unlimited bandwidth, so you're not going to lose, your net provider can't cut your bandwidth down on you. All the great things, it offers those to you. Now, if you're like me and you're a woodworker and you know very little about technology, I would highly recommend you try out NordVPN. Protect yourself, protect your data. Limited time offer, you get 68% off a 2-year subscription plus an additional 4 months for free. Just go to nordvpn.com/AndyRawls or use the promo code AndyRawls to get that discount. It's a risk-free opportunity. It's 30-day money-back guarantee from NordVPN. Plus, it's a great gift for the holiday. Remember, a limited time offer, 68% off, 2-year subscription with 4 additional months. A big thanks to NordVPN for sponsoring the video. Let's get back to this box and get it finished.